Guys, I remember I told you we've got a lot of things that are happening in Zimbabwe, so many developments. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm going to take you through and show you this beautiful house and show you what is inside. So first we've got water, so you won't have any problems when you come and buy yourself something here. Water, and also the solar systems are being connected as we are doing what you are doing. So they are still being constructed. We've got a lot of them. We've got another one there, you know, all those ones, line agata liner. So you can see for yourself, and there's electricity as well, so you won't have any problems when it comes to power. Now we have a kitchen on this side of the unit, so there will be two units. What you're seeing here is two units. We've got another one this side and another one this side, so it's divided into two. So this is the kitchen. I'm just going the back of the kitchen. So obviously we are going to be having all these things sorted out because we are still under construction, and we are going to be seeing a lot of things as well. We are still under construction, like I said. So this is the kitchen, very smart and nice. You can see we have a sink here, and we've got some nice cabinets there, and we've got a door here that gets us into the lounge, but we're going to be using the other entrance, so you can get through using this side. And we have a 2-plate gas stove here, and we've got a 4-plate Defy stove as well. Nowadays akusina ma stove ekuti noita kuti chwa 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 anenge zisimbi rakabudikira aizi akwane ma touch baba. And we've got an oven here as well. So zvese is going to be working. You can use electricity, you can use gas, and I think we put, is it fruits here or madish? You guys can tell me in the comments, because I don't really know a lot about what happens in the kitchen. So here is another one, and then we've got this for magetsi as well, so that you'll be able to juice your own maggots. So let me show you the other side of this unit as well. So we've got a nice, I think you can see we've got a balcony over there. We are going to be going from Pamsori and show you. So it's done by with aluminium as well. So this is aluminium. It's not like those imitations. So this is the lounge. So we've got the lounge, and we also have some stairs going up to the bedrooms. So down here we only have this lounge here and a nice sliding door, aluminium. So you'll be having your TVs over there, or your entertainment area over there. And this is the door that I was telling you that gets into the kitchen. So down here we've got the kitchen, and we have the lounge as well. And we also have a toilet on this side of the house, and it has a shower. So this is the guest toilet and the shower. So it's going to be finished as well, because you can see these are the other things. We're going to be sorting them. So we have the hand basin there, the toilet over there, and the washing area over there. So the lights are going to be here as well. So I think we have all seen how the lounge is going to be looking like. Now it's time for us to go to the bedrooms. So let's go upstairs. You know, baby, but we'll be able to say to Mwana wedu, Sha, go upstairs, go to your room. So this is exactly what we are going to do. So when you get in here, this is the stairs. We are now Pamsoro, and we've got some nice ceiling that was done very nicely, and some downlights over there. So this is the main bedroom, but we're going to start by going to this bedroom. So this is the bedroom. So it's like this. We've got nice big windows. You can see this is natural lighting. The natural lighting is just super amazing. So we've got some cabinets here for this room. I think this is the guest bedroom. So you'll be having this, and this is the view that you'll be seeing. You have the Jojo tank there, and then you'll be able to see your neighbors over there. And this one is en suite as well, so you'll be able to exactly see what you're doing. You can see we have the I think you can see we have the washing area over here, and we've got the toilet there and the hand basin over there. So this one is the first bedroom, and then we go to the next bedroom, and this one is the main bedroom. This is the main bedroom. We've got nice window over there and a sliding door that gets you out when you're going to the, what do you call this thing, the balcony, with some balustrades. Nicely done. So this is the outside, so you'll be able to see, this is the view that you're going to be seeing. You'll be able to see the neighbor over there and this beautiful balcony, and you'll also be able to see the other, because this one is another unit, so you'll be able to see what is happening on the other side as well. So this is the balcony, so this one gets to the other bedroom for the other room as well. So I don't see any reason why you're not getting yourself a place here as well. So sliding door, and then you get inside, and we have some nice cabinets and suite. So this one, tub, you can see that, hand basin and the toilet over there. So this is just super amazing. This is how this place looks like. I'm very excited to show you this place.